Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to fix the black screen issue on Roblox for Android devices. If you are facing a black screen when trying to play Roblox, don't worry. This guide will walk you through some simple steps to fix it. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart your device. The first thing you should try is restarting your device. It's a simple solution, but sometimes it works wonders. Press and hold your power button and then select Restart. Once your device turns back on, open Roblox again to see if the issue is fixed. Step 2. Clear Roblox app cache. If restarting didn't solve the issue, the next step is to clear the cache of the Roblox app. To do this, go to your phone settings, then find Apps or App Management, scroll down and tap on Roblox. Next, go to Storage and select Clear Cache. This removes any temporary files that could be causing the black screen issue. Step 3. Check for updates. Make sure your Roblox app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Roblox, and if there is an update available, go ahead and install it. Running the latest version can often fix bugs like the black screen problem. Step 4. Free up some space on your device. Low storage can also cause Roblox to malfunction. Head to your storage settings and check how much space is available. If you are running low, delete any unnecessary apps, files, or photos to free up space, and then try opening Roblox again. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If none of the previous steps worked, you might need to reinstall Roblox. To do this, press and hold the Roblox icon, then select Uninstall. After that, go to the Play Store and reinstall the app. This can resolve any corrupted files that might be causing the black screen. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the black screen issue on Roblox for Android. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!